Hey everybody, welcome back to another simple recipe from my kitchen Flavours. Now, beef goulash is a world famous Hungarian dish in which bite-sized pieces of beef are slow cooked in a stock that's seasoned with paprika, spice and peppers. It's hearty, warming and delicious. That's what I'm going to be cooking today in my way. So in the description below, you're going to find all the ingredients that I used in creating this dish. Right now, I'm adding my cubes of beef to my heated oil and I'm going to cook them for the next 8 minutes or until the beef is nicely browned. At this point, I'm removing and setting aside my beef because it has browned nicely to my liking. Now to the same skillet, I'm adding my chopped onions and sauteing them for the next 3 to 5 minutes or until they are soft and translucent. And then I'm going in with my homemade tomato sauce. Now I have a recipe for this sauce which I will link in the description and the icons above. And I'm also adding my chopped garlic. I'm going to cook this gently for about 3 minutes while stirring constantly. And then as you can see, I am adding my browned beef cubes back into the saucepan along with my chopped peppers and mixing everything up like so. Alright, next up I'm adding my paprika spice. This is the star of the show, so make sure you're using high quality paprika, okay? I'm also using cumin, lemon pepper, salt, and 2 bay leaves. Now, I forgot to record the footage where I was adding my beef stock, so don't forget to add yours at this point. Stir everything up bulungi like you see me doing. Reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 2 hours, making sure to check on the stew every now and then. So this is 2 hours later and don't get me started on the aroma. It's so amazing. Anyways, I did add my chopped carrots and potatoes, covered and cooked that for 30 minutes, and this is what my finished goulash looks like. I am removing the bay leaves from the stew and then plating it. Now, you may garnish your stew with some sour cream and chopped parsley and enjoy. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and share and comment on it because it will help reach a wider audience. Until my next video, may my God just get a hold of you and mess you up with only the best. Bye.